Okay, your friend Carlos, he had a good question about this problem. It was a little tricky. Okay, so let's go over this thing. It's not difficult, it's just tricky a little bit. This is center lies on the y-axis. So tangent to y equals -19 and x equals -4. So that means this is tangent to this, right? And tangent to that. So the only thing here that you need to figure it out is that, well, you know, this is center lies on the y-axis. So your center, HK, you already know that is 4 units because you're at -4. And if you go, if the center lies on the y-axis, that means that the distance from -4 to the y-axis, it would be, I mean, that would be from 84 to 0, that would be the distance, the radius, it would be, I'm sorry, the radius would be 4, right? So that means that the distance from, if it's tangent to -19, right? And if I want to find out, you know that how can I say this? The distance from -19, the radius is 4, right? So that means that the center in the y coordinate of the center will be 4 units above -19. So that will be -15, right? So therefore, this is the center. So the center should be at 0, -15. And the radius, you know, is 4 from the previous situation, right? Because they said from the distance from 84 to the y-axis, that's just 4 units, right? Therefore, you can say the equation is x squared plus y plus 15 squared equals r squared, which is 16. That's it. It's just this part that is a little tricky because when I was in class with him, we were thinking about, oh, from -19 to 0, we were assuming that it's in the origin, but no, it's just 94 units, and this is the y-axis, right? So that means the radius is 4, and the same thing we should apply to tangent equals -15. So the distance, the radius will be from here to here. So the graph will look something like this, right? So this is the center, this is the center, -4 units here, and I need to go 4 units out, right? So that's gonna be a -11. So the center should be something like that, right? I'm sorry about the graph, it's not perfect, but you get the point. So that's what you need to do, right? So that's the equation. Okay, that was it. Thank you. Have a nice day.